Hi, we are from Polytechnic of Turin and today we are presenting our project for the computer architecture course. I'm Simone Longobardi and I'm attending electronic engineering.
Hi, I'm Alessio Colucci and I'm attending electronic engineering.
Hello, my name is Paolo Notaro and I'm attending computer engineering.
The board given us by the professor is an RTX 7 Nexus 4 manufactured by Digilent and Xilinx. To implement the project we used Vivado 2016.
We chose to implement a Briscola card game because it is a classical Italian card game and because it has not too many rules, thus the artificial intelligence is quite easy to implement.
The project has been implemented through different blocks. The core is called server and is in charge of connecting all the other blocks. There is a user interface as well as the AI interface that simulate the opponent. Finally, we have the audio and video blocks to manage the out signals. This is how the project looks when the board is turned off. We can turn it on with this switch. Okay. And we can see the initial screen and the audio that can be turned off through this switch. The second switch works as an amplifier, and the third switch changes the difficulty level that can be switched between hard and easy. And this choice can be made also during the game for each end. In order to play, we can choose between one of our three cards that we have in our hand and through the switch. For example, I want to choose the first card here, I put the switch on and I press the button. As we can see, the AI has responded with his card, and now we can play the second turn, which is shown there, while the second number that appears is to understand the depth of the deck. Okay. This is the final part of the game. We will play and see that the deck has disappeared and we now have to play only the last hands. So, going on, we will see that the song changes depending on what happens. In this case we lost, and this is the song that we hear. We can hear it again. And now we can reset in order to play another game. And the song has changed again. And this time we have tried to win. And as we can see, we have win. And this is a nice song. And we can reset in order to play again.
We found different difficulties, but the most important ones were the delay between the components, the approach to the VGA and memory, which is different from usual, and the new language, VHDL, which is a description language, different from the programming languages we study at the Polytechnico, like C, Java and Python.
There are possible improvements we could make to our project if we have more time. For example, add animations in order to have a better game experience, and LAN multiplayer to add multiple users.
So, in conclusion, the result is quite good. We are satisfied and it met our expectations. As Simone said, there are some possible improvements we could have made, but for some of the difficulties we encountered, we didn't have any time for that, so we are happy as well.
Anyway, the project has been released as open source, so for anyone to watch, the link is in the description.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye!